Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, it's going to be a quick project share, just showing you some dies that I received from KSCRAFTs. The first one right here is some word dies. We have Diva, Queen, and then one with a little crown. And this is what it looks like. And it comes also with the border, so you can change the border, you can change the color of the word. I think they're super cute little tags. And then this one. Really cute. Just add it to your projects. Adorable. And I use that Dollar Tree trim. Super cute. So that's that. Then this die right here is a tissue box holder. So it's a perfect little box. Look how cute. And it says get well soon. I didn't really embellish it just so you can see what the box looks like. I just added a quick little bow. When you open this part right here, there's your little tissues. I thought that was super cute. You could also add other candies, maybe. Or maybe that box of, what is it? Oh my God, those little heart candies. You know what I'm talking about, right? Maybe that would fit in there. But again, it's meant for a tissue, which I thought it was super cute. Then, this bow right here. Isn't this bow adorable? So this bow is this one right here. So you get the back piece and then the piece that goes on top. So what I did was I curled the top piece and only glued the center piece. So it looks like that and it looks 3D-ish. Love this one. Okay. Then we got this adorable little girl. Isn't she cute? Like I knew once I see the face and they have these cute little eyelashes, I know the girl's going to come out cute. And this is what she looks like. I haven't added her to a project yet, but at least she is ready to go on one. And I think she looks super cute. I made her lashes a little darker, her little lips. Look how cute. Her little bow and that little dress is so freaking adorable. Okay. Then we have this word die that says love, perfect for card makers. So I made a quick card and I did the word twice, one in gold, one in pink, so I can kind of like offset it a little bit. And then these are bling from Dollar Tree. And then I just added little flowers wherever there was a little flower on the die itself, and I think it came out super cute. What I love is that it takes the card completely, so it's a quick card. All right guys, so these are just quick little easy project share. I'll be back with more and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.